So this is Dubai's weather, and I know my people back in my country like India, they are sick of this weather, but we are super excited about this weather because it literally came after like many years, and we are really very excited. Even my friend standing behind the camera is very excited. Can you say something?
No, I'm not.
Can you have to say something? Speak up. Okay, I grabbed it.